Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps and websites. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to change your email on Zillow in 2025. Whether you're updating for better security, switching to a new provider, or just cleaning up your account, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zillow account. Head over to Zillow.com and enter your current email and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner, maybe a little picture or your initials. Click on that to open your account menu. Next, select Account Settings or Profile Settings from the drop-down. This is where Zillow keeps all your personal info. Scroll down until you find the email section. It's often labeled as email address or contact information. Here, you'll see your current email displayed. To change it, click on the Edit button, which might look like a pencil icon, and enter your new email address in the provided field. Don't forget the verification step. Zillow will likely send a confirmation code or link to your new email to ensure it's valid. Check your inbox, click the link, and follow the prompts to verify. Once that's done, hit Save or Update to apply the changes. And just like that, your email is updated. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that your new email isn't already associated with another Zillow account. Also, remember that changing your email might affect how you receive Zillow alerts, so update any linked services if needed. There you have it. Changing your email on Zillow in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.